Hello and welcome to another episode of Friday Sews. Today I'm just going to talk about all things sewing, like always. I am wearing my wrap dress. I did a pattern review on this one on Wednesday, so make sure you check that one out. I'll tell you really quick. It's Simplicity 7801. And I'm also going to be talking to you. I'm going to share with you the Joann's fabric store. Well, I'm going to share with you a hack that I found on how you can save more money. And I don't know if it's something that I should feel guilty about or you guys can help me decide. Okay, I also want to acknowledge that my channel has just grown. I have over 2,000 subscribers now. Yay. So I have over 2,000 sewing friends. So I just want to thank you all for subscribing. And, it makes me happy that you want to be part of my sewing journey. I do want to share with you some new clothes that I made for my daughter. She started her first day of school and she loves this LOL outfit. And I love it because it has really puffy sleeves. So she loves it. It's got bright colors and rainbows, and a little bit of shimmer. And I need to start buying fabrics like that. I have a hard time doing that though. I do realize though that most of the fabric that I buy her is as if she is going to be working, at a bank or be an accountant. And I need to remind myself, she's only 6 years old. I need to purchase more rainbow fabrics, but we're working on that. Okay, so right now what I made her is this really cute shirt. Again, it's like an abstract color. It's got the cutest puffy sleeves. And so I think she likes the puff sleeves, but again, I need to find more kid rainbow fabric. But this I just thought was adorable, so I made her this. Or these two outfits that I'm showing you is from the Little Lizard King collection. It's the Galena pattern, so it is just a foolproof pattern if you're trying to sew for your granddaughter or your daughter. This one is also part of the Galena dress, and I made it with a cute circle skirt for the bottom, and it's also got the cute puff sleeves on it as well. Okay, so about the Joann's hack. This particular thing that I did is, if you have a Joann's that you're local to. So I've been noticing with Joann's, they keep sending me coupons. It's take an extra 25% off, or if you go on their website, they're take an extra 20% off if you do shipping, or a lot of times I get 25% off if I do online ordering, but in-store pickup. So I'm okay, I don't know why they're promoting that. But so anyways, I was in Joann's the other day just looking at their fabric, and they have a lot of cute fabrics for fall. But it's you got to kind of act fast, because then they'll just sell out of all the really cute fabrics. And by the way, Wednesday I'm going to show you those cute fabrics and I'm matching them up with patterns. So don't forget to come back for that. Okay, so I was on there and I found a lot of cute fabrics, okay? But they were not on sale as much as I would like. Okay, well, they did have their Ember collection was 60% off. And then I noticed, I'm well, let me see if there's any other coupons, because usually some weekends you can get an extra 20% off your entire purchase. Well, I looked online because I have the app, and it was just oh, here's an extra 25% off. So I was yay, excited. Oh no, it's only if you do the in-store pickup. So I'm okay, well, then I noticed that there is a barcode that you can click on, and I'm going to show you over here that barcode. And all of a sudden I was oh, so I was in the store and I just started scanning in those barcodes and adding them to my cart. Because if I did it that way, I'd get that extra 25% off. Okay, so this is what my phone looks like, and I went ahead and I clicked on the Joann's app. So now my app's open. See that 20% off your total pickup in store. So right here, you're going to click apply to the bag to get your 20% off additional coupon. So I clicked that, and then you can go see on the bottom here, just on the put your eyes to the very, very bottom, and there's the home page, and then there is the shop. So you can click on the shop page. And so it brings up all of these different things that you can shop for. We'll move your eyes up to the top where it has the search bar. So you can click on a specific item. So if you hit search though, you get this barcode square that comes up, and you can point it to the barcode on the fabric. Obviously, I don't have it right here because I'm at home again, but you click on that and you can add all the fabric that you want to the cart and it'll just scan it. Or I'll just show you how you can just search specifically. So just search for the fabrics that you want. But all I'm saying is if you're in the store, you can just click on the barcode. Well, I'll show you one of the fabrics that I bought. So this right here says $10.19 a yard. And you can only use your coupon though if you add it to your bag and do in-store pickup. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to add it to my bag. And then you'll see the discount when you add it to your bag. So now suddenly, let me look into my bag right now. And I will show you it's now $8.15. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then you hit continue to check out. So I was like, oh my gosh, I think I found a loophole. So all the fabrics that I wanted, I just scanned. Do I want 1 yard or 2 yards? So I felt like I was in like one of those, have you ever done a wedding registry? Or have you seen people doing a wedding registry where they go into the store and they use the gun and they just start clicking on everything that they wanted? So I just started clicking on like all the fabrics I wanted. I even found like a cute doormat that I wanted. And so I just started clicking on everything that I wanted. But then I realized, okay, well, I'm the one that's going to have to pay for it. So I did remove a couple of things out of my cart. However, then all of a sudden everything came up to like 25% off. So I had like all these fabrics in my cart and it ended up, it would have been like $70. But since I had the 20% off, I ended up saving me $15. So I clicked and scanned everything that I wanted, put it into my cart and bought it. And then it said, okay, well, your order is being processed. So I just went to other stores and ran a whole bunch of other errands. And then I got the notification, oh, your order is ready. So I go back there and I click that I'm here and they come out and give me my fabric. And I got $15 off. Thank you, pat on the back. You're just using the coupon and they're wanting you to do the in-store pickup. So I'm just doing what they ask and I get $15 off, but I'm in the store looking at the fabrics. I get to decide which one I want, just click on it while I'm there and then pick it up later. That way you don't have to stand in the line to get your fabric cut, and then you don't have to wait in another line to do, to pay for it. So I kind of thought that was kind of a genius idea. Oh, I also don't want to forget Wednesday, I'm telling you now, I will have a fall plans video. And oh my gosh, you guys, I'm very excited for that one. So if you want to just kind of see what is in my head and the plans that I'm making for the upcoming season, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know when that video comes up. And I want to thank you, Jen, for putting together the hashtag Friday Sews. Make sure you click in the search bar, hashtag Friday Sews, so you can see all the other amazing sewers here on YouTube and get even more inspiration. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great weekend and happy sewing. Bye guys.